When it comes to choosing AI tools, there are a lot of options out there. But before you dive into buying webAI, there are 7 things you absolutely need to know to make an informed decision. Stick around to the end because I'll be comparing it to some competitors, giving you insights that you won't find in any marketing pitch. First off, webAI offers a clean, intuitive interface that makes using AI simpler than ever. While other platforms can sometimes overwhelm you with complex setups and steep learning curves, webAI keeps it straightforward, allowing even beginners to get started quickly. Its user-friendly dashboard ensures you don't spend too much time learning the system, just time using it effectively. Next thing, let's talk about pricing. Now, we all know that AI tools can be expensive. Many competitors charge hefty subscription fees with limited flexibility. With webAI, you get a much more affordable plan that's also highly scalable, depending on your needs. Whether you're an individual just starting out or a business looking to scale, webAI offers plans that grow with you. Plus, you can try it for free from the first link below, which gives you a real taste without any commitment upfront. The third thing is integration. One of the most frustrating parts about using AI software is getting it to work with other tools you're already using. Luckily, webAI has some of the best integration capabilities on the market. Unlike some other platforms that have limited API access or require advanced technical skills to integrate with other software, webAI connects seamlessly with most CRM systems, analytics platforms, and marketing tools out of the box. The fourth thing I want to highlight is its automation features. If you're in digital marketing or running any sort of automated campaigns, you'll appreciate how webAI can help. It doesn't just do the basics, it goes deeper into optimizing workflows, automating repetitive tasks, and even predicting the best times to send campaigns or update strategies. While competitors may offer similar features, webAI's AI-driven insights really set it apart when it comes to data-driven decision-making. Now, let's talk about customer support. It's no surprise that many software companies leave you on your own, especially once you've made the purchase. Not with webAI. Their support is robust with fast response times and a team that's actually knowledgeable about AI and how it applies to real-world marketing needs. You won't be talking to bots or waiting days for a response. The sixth thing is scalability. As your business grows, so should your tools. webAI allows you to scale without having to worry about hitting technical limitations. You won't have to switch platforms when your needs grow, which is a huge headache when working with competitors that don't have the same flexibility in their infrastructure. The seventh thing you need to know is its security. With data privacy being a top concern, webAI takes security seriously. While some tools have been criticized for weak data protection practices, webAI provides end-to-end encryption and complies with industry standards to keep your data safe. This is a critical factor if you're working with sensitive information. If you're still on the fence about webAI, I strongly suggest trying it for free using the link below. This will give you full access to its features and allow you to see how it compares to other options in the market. Plus, you'll get some exclusive benefits, so don't miss out. To wrap up, webAI stands out because of its intuitive interface, affordable pricing, powerful automation features, seamless integrations, top-notch support, scalability, and solid security practices. It's a complete package that doesn't require you to settle for less. If you're looking to elevate your digital marketing efforts, webAI is definitely worth a try. Click the first link in the description for your best free trial and exclusive benefits.